cheddar brownies. Hey everyone, I'm Katie Quinn, author of the book Cheese, Wine, and Bread, and I'm really excited to show you my favorite brownies, my cheddar brownies. Now you might be thinking, that's a really interesting, maybe weird combination, cheddar and brownies. Trust me, it is a match made in heaven. So first thing, melt the butter in a small saucepan over a low heat. You're gonna brown the butter. Turn off the heat, remove it, and add in your chocolate chunks. Stir those in and set that to the side to allow the chocolate to melt. Now, in either the bowl of a stand mixer, if you have that, or just a large bowl, combine the granulated sugar, salt, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla, and instant espresso or instant coffee if you're using it. Mix this on medium-high speed. Once the egg and sugar mixture is looking good and nice and thick, you will add the melted butter and chocolate to that. Combine the all-purpose flour and the cocoa powder, then add that to the mixture. I prefer using a darker cocoa powder here. It just goes far to really give it the fudginess that I look for in a brownie. So mix this on medium speed. Once everything has been well incorporated, now it's time to fold in the cheddar chunks. I really recommend using a mature cheddar. That means it's been aged longer. Using a mature cheddar versus a younger cheddar means that the cheese will actually take on caramelized notes when it's baking in the oven. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then rotate it and bake for another 15 minutes. Take the pan out from the oven, let it cool just a bit before you add on the chunks of cheddar on top as your beautiful cheddar tie. You're gonna want your brownies to cool completely. Cut the brownies into squares. And then enjoy your new favorite brownies. It's so good every time. It's a combo your friends and your family will not stop talking about and thinking about and craving. Rachel, thank you so much for having me on. This was so much fun. Bye!
Katie, you're amazing. You can get copies of her book, Cheese, Wine, and Bread. It's out now, wherever books are sold.